What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Always Rich. Hope you guys are all having a very blessed day today. Today is literally Saturday, May 11th, and what else is new? I took an L today on the sneakers app, guys, as usual. The Travis Scott's goodbye, sad boy vibes. You know the deal. I made a video yesterday. I probably already uploaded that if you guys are watching this now. I'm trying to stay more consistent and just do my thing. And I appreciate all the feedback that you guys have. Today I'm going to do a video that I've never done before, I never thought of. I literally was just sitting here on the couch, just as at work right now, and I figured why not put out another video of something that I haven't done before. And yeah, so let's just jump right into it. Today is going to be a little bit of a story time, so if you guys are just chilling right now, you guys are busy, you might want to come back to the video, but if you guys are free, you guys should probably grab your hot Cheetos, your Takis, do whatever you got to do. I just want to let you guys know about a situation that I'm wondering if you guys have any feedback on, or if you guys can relate to it at all. If you guys can, make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. So this is about a year ago now, or so is the time frame, just to kind of like give you guys an idea. Like I said, it is May right now, 2019, so it was around last year, around the same time. I was on the hunt for a Chelsea boot. I've heard a lot of good things about Chelsea boots, and I really wanted to try one out, and I had my mind set on the Common Project Chelsea boot. I did so much research. I literally went through forums, got added to Facebook groups, asked anybody and everybody that I knew who had a pair about the sizing, about the quality, if the value is worth it to pick them up. And ultimately, I concluded that I had to have a pair of these. I was really on the hunt for a tan pair of boots just because I felt like it could go with everything. And I do kind of like to dress up sometimes, or I mean, even too, like I've noticed that you can even wear them with like cut jeans and like an oversized t-shirt, and it looks really sick. So I definitely recommend Common Projects, and I definitely recommend just anybody, if you guys can't afford Common Projects right now, to just pick up any kind of Chelsea boot trying to get into the boot game. They're very versatile, so I'm sure you guys will love them. But I was on the hunt for my first pair, and I heard from a few people that you can go to Nordstrom's and pick up a pair there. So me and Jess decided just one day, like, let's just jump in the car and drive down there. The drive to the mall was like 15-20 minutes from where we live, so it's not too bad, but it was just an evening. We were bummy. We were just casually just walking around the mall, and we finally find the Nordstrom. We go inside. I go straight to the shoe section just because I knew exactly what I was looking for. And I was approached by this gentleman, and like I said, I'm not going to name any names just in case anyone who's watching this is from Arizona. I'm not going to put anybody on blast. But he walks up and he says, hey, how can I help you? It was really, he started off really nice. So I was like, okay, this guy's going to be pretty chill. And then like the conversation took like a really weird turn for like the weird, because I was like, yeah, I'm actually like, I heard that Common Projects, you guys sell them, and I'm really interested in a pair, blah, 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 blah. I gave him like my whole spill, and I told him that I did some research and just a little bit of small talk, and he says, oh, I actually think that there's another boot that you got that would be more suitable for you. And he proceeds to show me this boot, and it's like a Kohan, like $100 Chelsea boot in like this dark brown material, and I'm definitely not hating on the brand, but it was not what I was looking for. Like, I was like, dude, no, I'm looking for more of like a tan color. I kind of already had the fits planned out of my mind. He was like, well, I think for your price point and your budget, I think that this would probably be better. And like, that's when like I was like, whoa, time out. Like, what do you mean my budget? And like, he just kept proceeding to tell me that the Common Projects were not that good, and that this was a lot better shoe. Whether, I don't know what was going on. Like, I don't know what the real retail price of it is, but they were like $100 on the tag. And it's not that I'm bashing cheap or affordable items, but dude, it wasn't the shoe that I wanted. Like, I knew what I was coming here for. I had the cash in my wallet. I was ready to walk out of there with a pair. And I was like, no, this is definitely not what I would like. I'd like to see the Common Project. Then, this is so crazy, because at that point, this is when like, it really just got crazy, because then he proceeds to show me a Common Project sneaker, and he picks up the one off of the shelf, and he says, try this one on, and dude, it's like a size 10, and if you guys know about anything about Common Projects, they run super huge. I'm a 41 in them. I already knew my size. I told him, like, no, I wear 8.5 in majority of things. I heard you got a size down, like, this is a 9, like, I can't even wear it when, like, why won't you just bring out the common projects like that? And then I'm starting to get irritated. I look over at Jess. She knows I'm getting irritated. And like he just keeps going on and on and on and on about like why I shouldn't get the common project and why they're so expensive, and it just was like really weird. And it was like at the end I took like a little bit step back and I was like, dude, I know exactly what you're doing right now. You're looking at me because I'm in basketball shorts, a pair of Vans, and a wrinkled t-shirt that I don't have any money, or that I'm playing games and I'm wasting your time, when in reality you can never, ever, ever judge a book by its cover just because you didn't know. Like, he didn't know who I was. I've never seen this guy anywhere before. The thing is, I knew exactly what I wanted. So why go on and proceed to, like, persuade me against the boot that I wanted, which was so aggravating. And then he just starts getting really rude with me, like, doesn't want to bring out the shoe. Like, I don't know why, but I'm getting so agitated. I'm like, you know what? Keep your common project sneaker, which is the Achilles, which I do think is a fire shoe, but it wasn't even my size, so I haven't even been able to try them on at this point. Keep your Cole Haan boot, and I'm going somewhere else. I'm gonna buy the shoe, like at one of your competitors, just because, dude, you're being like so rude to me. I just want to point out to you guys, this is what I think is really funny. I ended up getting the shoe, and it is one of my favorite pickups that I have in my collection. I ended up going with the sand color. If it focuses, I don't know if it's going to focus or not. It is a little bit lighter than the tan, but I think it's super, super versatile nevertheless. And it doesn't have like that really orange tab around the side, which the tan pair does. So super dope. Ended up getting them cheaper than retail, which is amazing. And then on top of that, I couldn't stop there. So I ended up picking up the gray pair. Jess hooked me up with these as a gift. And you know what? The moral of the story was that guy could have had, you know, $800-900 worth of sales, and he blew it just because he was judging us. I don't think it's Nordstrom as a company. I've had a lot of good experience there. I know a lot of people shop there. I mean, it's a very big, you know, brand name. It just takes one person in an organization, in a business, to like ruin everything for you. So if you own a business or you own a brand, make sure you know exactly who's working for you. Make sure that they represent who you are as a brand to the highest standard ever, and just make everyone feel welcome. Just because, like, there's so many times, like, we walk into the Gucci store, we don't even get greeted. We walk into the Saint Laurent store, we don't get greeted. I bought Jess a YSL bag. I have Gucci sneakers. Like, you know, it just, you never really know who you're talking to. So treat everybody equally. I know it's like the golden rule, and it sounds very cliche, but when I've been personally profiled, like, I really get offended by it, and I just hope that no one else gets treated the way that I did at that very time. So I even told like one of my friends who used to work there, and he told me that he was going to tell the manager, and he knew exactly who it was. I don't ever know what ended up happening with the situation. I never followed up or anything. I didn't file any complaints. I just haven't been back to Nordstrom since that day, and I probably won't go back there unless there's just something I really want, because it's so easy to just shop local brands or shop smaller up-and-coming brands. I'm always trying to support those kind of people, but then when I do buy a big-name brand, I mean, I go to like Essence, to like End Clothing, Grell. You know, I've been really like open-minded about like buying, you know, gently used pieces as well, if it's something that has come out in the past and it's the only way I can get my hands on it. And most of the time, you know, you wash it, you clean it, you're good to go. So I'm pretty open-minded about that. But that was just a little bit of a story, and I want to just know if you guys have ever been profiled in this way. You know, I'm not going to say it was a racial profile. It was more so like he didn't take me serious because of the way I was dressed. And that's really weird, because there's some days, like, how did he know I didn't just work all day, changed into it, or what if it was my day off? You know, you really got to like consider all the variables before you make any judgments. I really want to hear your guys' feedback, so let me know if this has ever happened to you guys. And what did you guys do in the situation? Did you blow up? Did you walk away? Did you report it? Whatever it is, let's talk about it in the comments, just because I am very curious about the situation. With that being said, guys, until the next release, I hope that you guys are able to pick up everything that you guys are looking for, and more W's, guys. So until next time, peace.